This is Professor L.B. Gayakawad's English Literature Web. I am Professor L.B. Gayakawad is teaching today the topic Technical Communication. This is my lecture number 334 and part 2nd. Before going to the topic, I will request you to watch, like, subscribe and share my channel. Then second request is that you should see all these notes put in the description box. Now we will turn to the topic. The topic is technical communication. In the first part we have seen the definition, then we have seen the means of the technical communication. In this topic also we are studying the technical communication, but we are studying here the characteristics of the technical communication and some examples of the technical communication. So we will start. Variety of examples is there of this technical communication. Means when we discuss the technical communication, then we can see that there are many examples of this technical communication. The examples are reports, emails, proposals, directions, manuals, etc. are the examples of the technical communication. Along with written practice, there are visual and oral modes, that is ways which can be said as presentations, videos, infographics, diagrams, etc. So these are the examples of the technical communication. The technical communication has been very popular in the sphere of science, technology, art, culture and literature. It is the communication based on practice and practice that helps in problem solving strategies like making analysis, research, design and production to communicate intricate information effectively. Now remember, intricate information, it means that the complicated, the mixed, the problematic information is here communicated with the help of this technical communication. Because we have seen that this field is rather difficult to the students or man and woman, and so not maximum but minimum people turn to this field, and that's why I will say that this is the complicated field. It includes technical writing, means the writing is there but it is technical. Technical means there is some technique, it is not the literary writing. There is some drafting, means draft is there. Draft is there, means there is some script, and that script is technical. Then editing is there and instructional design is there. Training is there. If there is no training, then this technical writing cannot be possible for the students or learner. Translation method is very important for this, I will say, communication or for this technical writing. Information architecture. So remember, information architecture means it is rather innovative. Architecture means what I will say, this is rather innovative, means it is the particular communication which wants the innovative new ideas. Then user experience means when the person is there, expertise, or if the student is there or learner is there, the experience is important, means this technical communication demands the experience of this boy or a girl. If they have no practice, if they have no I will say experience, or if they have no experience of the design, and if they have no experience of the document design, and much more, if they have no such type of experience, practice, they cannot go through the particular technical communication effectively. Now, the next point we are discussing is the characteristics of the technical communication. The technical communication is an objective. Objective means what? There is some object. Object means what? There is some purpose behind it. Or objective, it means that I will say it is short but sweet, it is concise, it is concrete, and it is very much, I will say, based on truth, that is called. And technical process, it is the technical process. It is not the process that we can do anything with this process. It is technical, means it relates with the computer. It is related with the computer, or I will say it is the digital experience. Means now all the world has been digital, and that's why the computer is the basic way through which this technical communication is done. It communicates messages or drafts. Remember, the technical communication makes the work of sending the messages or drafts, means writings, scripts. Regarding technical, means everything is technical, means everything is technique. It is not easy. Or specialized topics, means the topics which are communicated, which are written, or which are exchanged from one person to the second person are the specialized topics. For example, I will say computer application is one of the topics. Then I will say medical procedures is one of the topics. Environmental regulations is one of the topics, and special advisories, I will say, is one of the topics. So these are the topics which are related with the technical, I will say, basics. And so this technical communication is not the simple communication. It needs always the technical matters. This communication is done with email, notices, sites, help files, or social media sites. In the field of medical practices, the communication, means this communication helps patients and cares providers, means those persons who are there, the providers, or who are there, the suppose I will say the customers, or they are providing something for managing patients' treatments, means there are the patients' treatments, and all these treatments of the patients are also done with the help of these medical practices, or I will say with the help of the technical communication. It helps improve the health of the patient, and in this way the patient's health is improved, and the patient goes into the hospital in the, I will say, in the condition of illness, and he returns home by curing himself. So remember, all these things are done in the hospital. So I will tell you here that this communication improves the health of the patient while reducing, means decreasing the costs and risks related to incorrect care. Means if there is the incorrect care, that incorrect care is also exercised there, is seen there, observed there, and there cannot be any kind of incorrect care, and the best care is taken of the patients there. It provides assistance to technical experts in functional specifications and proposals to help one group to communicate with effect with other technical experts. It conducts training programs, means the training programs are conducted there to provide people new or improved and innovative skills, means the innovative skill, the improved skill, and the new skill is given to the professionals there, and that's why their training programs are also organized. And by organizing these programs, they are made more employable, means those persons are made more employable, and they perform the work or their task more efficiently and very safely. That is the point here. The well designed websites perform the communication, means this communication is performed by the well, I will say, designed websites. Which websites help users to seek information easily? Technical illustrations is a kind of communication which clarifies steps or identify the parts of a product, which helps users to make tasks fastly and with more accuracy. So here we have finished the characteristics of the technical communication. Now the last point is the examples of technical communication. Here the first example is technical writers and editors reports on company's product, instructional design preparations, technical illustrations for specific product in advertisement, for example mobile phone advertisement, visual designing and architecture planning, web designing and website creation, literature or manuals by expert researchers, and last one example is trainers and e-learning developers. So all these are the examples of the technical communication. So here in this topic today we saw the technical communication, the characteristics of the technical communication, and the examples of the technical communication. Again we will be in front of each other with a new topic. Till then, thank you and thank you very much.